here.
No, I
don't
am.
want that. Where are your trucks?
Here we are visiting. Hi, Grandpa.
Hello. I have a munch. I have a munch man.
Whoops, there he goes. April just turned 1 year old. Munchie, what do you have? Munchie!
Can you go show Grandma?
Munchie!
Go show Grandma your truck. Go show her. Say, Grandma, look at my truck.
Here, put this in. Put this in. Put this in your truck.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
He's putting it in his truck.
Vroom, vroom. It's hard to put in when your fingers are in. Vroom. Oh!
Vroom! Did he just say vroom?
Yes. That was a distinct vroom.
Yeah, distinct. Only for cars and trucks.
Uh-oh. There he goes. He's about to
The shot put.
do the shot put behind the head. Up he's going.
Oh, the old no-look hook. There it goes.
Where'd it go?
Oh.
Where did that ball go?
What happened? Go get it. There we go.
Endless fun.